Hello everyone. Chris Brack here from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I want to start this video letting you know that I apologize that I didn't posted any video in the past, I think already are 6 months. You know that some changes in my life, some good changes, of course. I have to take care of my offline businesses. Also, I've built my dream house, and in 2 3 months, I will move on the house and I'll make some videos from there. But in the meantime, I decided to make new posts because a lot of you write at me that where I am, what I am doing. Some many of you I replied to the emails, and I told you what's going on, but now it's official. I will release a new video, and today's video it will be about a new indicator that I discovered and got very good results with it, which is called Gold Sniper Master Indicator, which is a powerful MT4 indicator. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about this indicator. I will show you how to install this indicator. I will show you how to use it. And of course, if you stay until the end, you will find out how to download for free this MT4 indicator for gold. All right, guys, so that's pretty much is. Let's go and let's dive into this video. Alright guys, so today's video it's about the Gold Sniper Master Indicator, a powerful MT4 system which is meticulously crafted for precision trading. It's primarily focused on the dynamic world of gold, and however, my extensive experience reveals its versatility across various assets and the currency pairs, like I tested on US 30 and also NASDAQ. Let's also add US 30 here as a chart. Let me make it a little bit nicer to look nicer. This chart, go to properties. I'm always using bars, not candles, because I like the way they look. Go here, bar down, okay, and go here to 0 and then 1 2, and that's it. As you can see, the chart looks very nice and clean right now. Let's go to M5 to 5 minutes time frame, and because the indicator works best on 5 minutes time frame. And let's go ahead. What I will do, I will show you how to install the indicator and also how to use it. And by the end of this video, as I told you, you will find out how to download for free the indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go to the, let's assume that you already downloaded the indicator. We will have an archive folder, as you can see, one, and we need to unarchive the folder. So extract here, we will extract the files here, and as you can see, you will get a folder like this one. And let's have a look here. We have MQL4 indicators, all these files here, which we'll need to upload it to our MT4 platform. And we have also the templates here. We will need to upload also the template. So let's go ahead and let's start with the MQL4 files, AX4 files, and let's go and copy all the files. Control all, control copy on your computer, on your keyboard. And let's go to here to file, to our MT4 platform file, open data folder. If I'm speaking too fast, just stop the video. You know what you have to do. Go to MQL4, then indicators here, and paste those indicators right here, paste. All right, and after you paste this one, go to the template, go back to your folder where you downloaded, go to template, copy the template, go back here to your MT4 file, okay, go to templates and paste that template here, Gold Sniper, as you can see here, template. Now you will close the file, go here and refresh the navigator here, and now let's go back to our gold. Yes, and go to template here, load template, or you can click on it, and that's it. As you can see, we already have an alert here on gold. Let me close this one here, and that's it. We have an gold alert, which is a sell. Yes, as you can see, we have a sell now here, and look how nice this template looks. And remember, the one of the remarkable feature of this is the non-repeating nature of the signals, ensuring you won't miss out on crucial market movements. The algorithm behind the signal formation is both correct and rational, guiding your trades from overbought to oversold zones in alignment with the predominant trend. And this strategic approach unfolds during the periods of peak volatility, specifically within the boosting London and New York trades session. Yes, and as you can see, we have this signal here. It's the downtrend, an uptrend. Yes, a downtrend here. This, you see this candle here, up, a down, which goes down, and now we have this down signal, and we can already place a signal right now. Here we can place a trade, new order. Let's leave it on 0.02 and let's place a sell. Okay, and let's see what will happen right now if we have time. Otherwise I will skip the video and I will show you if this trade it will go on the right direction as the signal says here. All you have to do is to watch this signal and you will close when you see the next signal occurs. Let's go ahead and I will drop it here on US 30 also. So go to the template and just even you will click load template, or if you don't see it here, or you just click on it and it will automatically upload the template on the chart on US 30, so you can use it with US 30. And again, we have a new signal on sell. So we have, let's close this one. So we are in an uptrend. You can see here this the band, and you can see here the arrow here, which indicates that this is an uptrend. And let's go back to gold. So as you can see, now is going down. We are already on profit with this trade. So that's pretty much is with this indicator, which is based on the logic approach during the periods of peak volatility. So once again, let's recapitulate. It's for MT. This indicator is for MT4 platform. The currency pair it's suitable for any major currency pair with a special node to gold, US 30 and NASDAQ. Trading time exclusive to New York and London trading session. So whether if you're a seasoned trader or just stepping into the world of Forex, this indicator has something to offer. So if you want to download this indicator for your benefit, I will put a link below this video in the description area, and you will be able to, which it will take you to a blog post on my website, and you will be able to download for free this indicator. All right, guys. So I'll appreciate a lot if you give me a like for this video. Also, if you have comments, put the comments below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.